Hello Horizon Hawks, this is Mr. Olson, and this video is to show you how to use the library book checkout selection form for kindergarten through second grade. And so using this form will help you request books for checkout from the Horizon Library, which you can pick up on Tuesdays and Fridays in the afternoon. So to fill out this form, it's really easy. You'll click the link that will be included in your email. And this form is specifically for kindergarten through second graders. If you have a third through sixth grader, there is a separate form for them with that looks a little bit different. It's very similar. First of all, you put your name, first and last name. Then you'll select your teacher. There's a drop-down menu where you can select your teacher. The third question asks if you put any books on hold in Destiny Discover. That is the preferred way of requesting specific books. So if you have a specific book you want, you can put a hold on there. So put yes, no, or I'm not sure. And then we get to the main part of this form. The question 4 is about nonfiction books. So if you want a nonfiction book, you can answer this question. You don't have to answer this question. We gave you a lot of different topics of different things you can ask for a book for. And if you have specific requests within one of those topics, you can put them down in question number 5. And so you can put more specifics about that topic. And it's okay if you don't specify, we'll pick something for you. Mrs. Henry and Mr. Olson will help you by picking out some books based on what you check off. So you can check off one or more of these topics and we'll pick out some books for you. Now it's important that you can fill this out every time you're planning to go to pick up books at the library. You don't have to do this just once. So one week you might want one topic, and another week you might change to a different topic. So we have jobs and careers, transportation, earth science and weather, biomes and ecosystems, sea creatures, outer space and planets, cats, horses, dinosaurs, sports and hobbies, insects and birds. Oh, insects and spiders, birds, other animal not listed above, and health science, reptiles, and amphibians. So select one or more of these topics. And if you have a specific, say if I selected insects here and I want to learn about ladybugs, I could put that in the request. Okay, you can be as specific or general as you want. If you just pick insects and don't put anything down below, we'll just find you something that we think you'll enjoy that's just about insects or spiders. Then question 6 is very similar, but these are for picture books or fiction stories. And so it could be also a easy reader or an early chapter book appropriate for kindergarten through second grade students. So we have different topics again. Animals, stories with animals as main characters. Famous friends, stories about classic and popular characters. So some of those really popular series, we will pick a couple out for you. Our world, stories from different cultures and showing the diversity of the world. Things That Go, stories with cars, trucks, trains, boats, planes, and more. Award winners, Caldecott Award winners, and our Washington Award winners. So, like our Washington Children's Choice Picture Book Award winners and nominees. Concepts, ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, shapes, colors, and more. Sparkly, these are our princess stories, dancing, royalty, and fairy tales. And then we also have just normal fairy tales and traditional tales. You can also select Dr. Seuss, easy readers, Legos, superhero, Barbie, and Pokemon. If you have another topic or genre, you can also include it. And if you have specifics, you can also give a specific example. So if you want a specific book in the fiction section, please type it in there. Question 8 is your ERLA level. Just give us a level, and if you're not sure, You can always select I'm not sure down at the bottom. Give us a day of when you're coming to pick up. This will help us to know when to have the materials ready, whether it's a Tuesday or a Friday. And this would be for if you're filling it out it would be for that week or the next Tuesday or Friday. And then if you have any questions or comments, you can add them here. When you're done with the form, please make sure and hit submit, because Mrs. Henry and I will not get that information if you do not submit your form. So click submit, and those answers will be sent directly to Mrs. Henry and myself, Mr. Olson. So that's how you fill out the checkout selection form for kindergarten through second grade. We'll see you soon at the library.